So the device hub has these amazing, good-looking battery cases for the iPhone on sale, and I thought let me just get them and review them to let you know the bad and the good side so that you decide if you'd want to purchase one or not. So let me just start with the unboxing of the Saki Powerbank phone case by WK Design. So at the front you have a very big picture of the powerbank case, and then a lot of inscriptions, some in Chinese and then some in English, and you have the inscription of 28,500 milliamp hour for the 7, which can also fit the 6, the 6S or the 8. And then at the back we have some English description of the product, as well as Chinese. And one good thing we should note is that the 7 Plus has 3,600 milliamp hour of juice, so it's indicated on the front of the box. It has the same description as the 7. So once you open the box, you'd see more inscriptions of how to use and how to slide your phone into the case, and it has this transparent look so that you can see how your battery case looks like. And then once you open it up, you can find the battery case. So I have my 8 Plus in the Saki WK Design battery case, and as you can see, it looks very lovely. I opted for the white version, and I have this white and black front, which I love. It has the WK writing at the side and the camera cutout at the side. Moving on to the bottom, we have some 4 indicators that show whether your battery is fully charged or not, or the current percentage of your battery. When it's at 1 bar, it means it's 25%. When it's at 2 bars, it's 50%. 3 bars for 75%, and 4 full bars for 100%. Beside that, we have a button which is actually white, so it blends with the case's color. So once you long press it, you're going to put the power bank on. If you long press it again, you're going to put the power bank off. I really like the way it looks. It's very, very streamlined in relation to other power banks, which have noticeable bumps, so that anyone who sees you holding it can know you're holding a battery case. But then this one looks very slim. If someone is to see this, the person will think it's just a normal case, and that's what I like about it. Talking about power, this one has 3,600 of battery power, and it's kind of lasting the whole day. I usually get home after 6, but then I can get home and I have 85% of juice, guys. So sometimes I barely charge my phone when I get home. I can use it till the next day. And so this battery case is that good. So the cons or the problems I have with this case is that for the 8 Plus version, it's quite heavy. So if you're coming from the 6 Plus or the 6S Plus, if you slip your phone into this battery case, you're going to realize that your phone becomes suddenly heavy. And that's one dislike I do have about this battery case. However, if you're coming from the 7 Plus or the 8 Plus, you'd realize that it's actually normal, because the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus is quite hefty in nature. So you would not really notice the heftiness of the battery case on your phone. So if you're using the 7, which can fit the 6 and the 6S and the 8, you'd realize that you don't have any problem with heftiness at all, because this is very light. The power in this is not as big as that of the 7 Plus. However, this can charge the whole day as well, and it looks very good. If you put it on, it looks like a case. No one is going to think it's a battery case. So this one for the 6, 6S, 7 and 8 is very great. It's a gorgeous and it's a great buy. I'd recommend this to anyone who is just looking to bump their power up, since it can deliver and you don't have to carry an extra power bank and a cable and all that stress. What if you misplace the power bank? What if you drop it? What if you it doesn't work at all and all that? Then once you have this on, you don't have to worry about removing it. Once you get home, you just plug in your lightning cable into the lightning port, and it charges the phone and the battery case as well. So the question is this battery case the one for you? Well, let me just get this out of the way. If you're someone who is fine with your power banks and all that. I wouldn't recommend this for you. But if you're going for a wedding, a program, a corporate dinner or something, you can't be holding your power bank and your phone as well. It's not done. What you can do is you just slip this onto your phone and then you are good to go. So if you're someone who does a lot of outings but is always on social media, tweeting, Instagramming, Snapchatting, and before you realize you have a low battery, this battery case is right for you. I've been using it for a week now and I can say I've not regretted it at all. It sometimes feels heavy because I'm using the 8 Plus and because the 8 Plus has a back glass, but then this is something you can deal with. This battery case is selling for 130 Ghana cedi, giving you 3,600 milliampere, and then this is going for 120 Ghana cedi, giving you 2,850 milliampere. So which is going to fit your device? Remember, you can use this on the 6, 6S, 7 and 8, and then the 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, and the 8 Plus. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below, whether you'd buy this or not. So the love so far on YouTube is so amazing. We have 97 subscribers now. We are gearing towards 100 subscribers, and I'd really want to send a big shout out to everyone who has subscribed so far. We really appreciate the efforts and the encouragement, and we are going to bring out better videos and better reviews all the time. So this is your boy Soji Gray, and I brought you a quick view this week. It's been amazing with you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and have a blessed week. See you in the next one. Peace.